Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove Show More options from the Windows 11 context menu. When you right-click in Windows 11, you see a modern context menu. At the bottom, you will find Show More Options option, which is almost useless as it repeats the same options. If you prefer a condensed, organized context menu, you can easily remove Show More options with Command Prompt. To remove or disable Show More options from right-click menu, click on the Start button, and then type CMD. In the search results, right-click on the Command Prompt entry and select the Run as Administrator option. Now, in the Command Prompt window, copy and paste the following from this video description. Reg add HKCU /software /classes /CLSID /86C1AA034AA4E8BA50950C905BA2A2 /inproc server 32/F/VE. And then press Enter on the keyboard. Finally, reboot your PC to apply the changes. This will remove Show More options from the Windows 11 context menu. In case you want to enable Show More options in the Windows 11 context menu, again open Command Prompt with administrative privilege and paste the following command from this video description. Reg delete HKUI_current_user /software /classes /CLSID /86C1AA034AA4E8BA50950C905BA2A2 /F. And then press Enter on the keyboard. At last, reboot your PC to apply the changes. This will add Show More options in the Windows 11 context menu. That's it.